बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम व अन लैसा लिल इंसान इल्ला मा सआ। सूरह अन-नज्म आयत नंबर 39। And a man does not deserve but the reward of his own efforts. في मुकाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला क़द अफ़लह मन ज़क्काहा व क़द ख़ाब मन दस्साहा. He will be successful who purified his soul, and he will be failure who corrupted his soul. في मुकाम आखिर क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला वल असर इन्नल इंसान लफ़ी खुसर इल्लल्लज़ीना आमनू व अमिलुस्सालिहाति व तवासौ बिल हक़्क़ि व तवासौ बिस्सब्र. In this ayat mubarakah, there are 4 special keys which guarantee the success in this life and hereafter. Those people will be successful here and hereafter who have correct iman and good deeds, and they give dawah, advice, tabligh, propagate the iman and good deeds. And what they face, وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ, and they face any difficulty, they are patient and steadfast. Let me give you some keys of the success, especially in this dunya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You can fly successfully with the 2 strong wings, du'as and effort full of courage. Here are some special advice. If you adhere to them, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help you. We should have strong faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, last prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the life hereafter. Number 2, always be optimistic with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 3, be very clear about the priorities of your life. Number 4, remain free from terrible spiritual diseases like arrogance, jealousy, and grudge. Number 5, decorate yourself with high moral characters. Number 6, do not become the counselor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thinking why XYZ is so rich. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He is Hakim, He is wise, He knows how much to whom bless. Number 7, serve the parents, help the needy, you will be blessed with more sustenance, rizq, and longer lifespan. Number 8, earn halal living, spend halal, and be generous while paying zakat, poor dues, and the donations. It will increase your rizq. Number 9, learn lesson from the life of Pharaoh, Haman, Qarun, and Abu Jahl, like kuffar. Though they had a lot, the dunya, but they remain unsuccessful. But only richness will not guarantee you that you are success in the life. Richness with strong iman and good deeds, with the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will be successful. Hate drugs, but love the patient of drugs. Serve them and win their hearts. Number 11. Proper demanding skill can guarantee you success anywhere in the world, when PhDs may be looking for the job. But normally, we don't want to learn any skills. And so many people who have good skill, they got big factories, corporations, and the PhDs are their servant. It does not mean don't do PhD. Do it, but make sure where your mind works. Number 12, at the end of the day, do evaluation and plan for the next day. Number 13, do define your future goals clearly and then divide that goal into sub goals. Your life offers you time, resources, and energy. Make the best use of those. Number 14, your passion should match your goal. Number 15, your principles should be your actions. Number 16, be excellent time manager. Otherwise, your friends and your personal bad habits will waste away your time. Number 17, remain within your limits in every walk of life. Do what you can within your own capacity. Follow the principle of La yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not put burden on any individual what he cannot carry. Otherwise, if you carry overburden on yourself, you break your neck, you will be failure in your skill, in your goal. But still, sometime you can dare to achieve more than that. I am not discouraging you. For greater success, strong willpower and self-confidence is a must. Number 19, do consult others, but not at the cost of your own wisdom and planning. Number 20, forget your weaknesses and shortcomings. Pay attention to your good qualities, your personal capabilities. That should be your guide. That principle by Hazrat Maulana Iqbal, great poet of our history, Dr. Iqbal. यकीन मोहकम अमल पैहम मोहब्बत फातह आलम जहाद जिंदगानी में हैं ये मर्दों की शमशेरें. Translation: the firm faith and continuous effort and love are the conqueror in the struggle of the life. These are the sword for a successful warrior. Next one. If your goal is well defined clear and excellent. Then remove hurdles with courage and du'as. On the journey of success, sometimes you may face some minor temporary defeats. Don't get upset. Remain firm on your journey. Don't lose heart. Don't get disheartened. If a big project, you have a big project, have some reliable partner, and that partner should be of your temperament, and he should be blessed with these qualities what I already mentioned. Remember, the real success is the success of hereafter. What that? To save ourselves from Jahannam and enter into Jannatul Firdaus in the Jannah. That the real goal should be of our life. And it is possible only when we keep Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Rasul with us in our projects 24 of the life. Let's make dua. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us a shining success in every walk of our life and in our projects, in our goals. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please share with this to others. Assalamu alaikum.